fuck up. Come here, yeah.
I'm a nerve fuck up era. My Twitch. Me I got screenshot it and show you.
All right.
Somebody say I always wonder why. The doctor looked at me and say, you's a lucky girl. You remember tell us something, you there with one bad man from Blood Clot 90s. Me and my man there on the phone, you know, they are Jamaica. Rika, every time you're there, they are party. Stay home tonight. That the man tell me. I'm there on the phone with the man till 2 o'clock in the Blood Clot morning. No beers, me I go on my bumbo clot bed. You hear me? You hear my wicked? Me I go on my bed. Here as me and the man come off of the phone. Me while me and the bed on the phone, me I get ready. As me and him come off of the phone, we drive out. When my man get the call in the morning, I hear somebody have a stabbing on my face. You know, I'm almost dead. It jump. You understand? Here are the money that try aim for my neck. You hear me? If it was the doctor say you're lucky, cause if it was my neck, cause remember I said, bust my gum and got through. Me that spit out Guinness buckle. Up to this day, I still drink Guinness. I spit out buckle. When me I spit out buckle. You see O'Neill from Vicemail. Rest in peace, O'Neill. You see O'Neill from Vicemail. You see Elephant Man. You see Bounty Killer. Look here. Rodney Price. Elephant Man and O'Neill. O'Neill lived around the corner from me. My face bust open them stitch it. Here I could eat and sit me after sit. You understand? Yeah, the face I got through all of that. Bust open. Me and Killer go through all it. My brother, my uncle, everything. Cause you know it's a Killer face, right? Killer.
Rika, you saw me call me, so me call a seahole.
Seahole.
Yeah, that's why me call a seahole.
You have everybody I call me seahole.
That's why your name seahole, man.
Yo. Here are the amount of things that I got through in a life. My company this will look good. Here where I make money now. We're happy. We're nice. You know, but Butcher say a thing. I could go on and on. The fool has never been told. You understand? Them would even know the bumbo clot off. You know how much time it like irritate when people are come. Rika, why you Twitch so much? Like, I want to turn on and say, pussy one, I could have blood clot dead. You understand? But you wrong. I'm not supposed to dead. I'm supposed to die so.
Rika, you know I realize. You see when you have money, just alright, I can just buy food. But you think when you have things in a life, you're alright and no stress. But come when you have things of stress. You ever notice, Rika?
True.
Because boy, sometimes it's long I'm hungry, I'm just stress. But Rika, guess what? I have 3 phones. One from Pornhub, one for XX video, and one for the white girl them.
Friend, give me come, cheers. Come, cheers. Cheers. Cheers, I love you.
Rika, last night, I want a white girl. Last night, I want a white girl with no body to go fuck.
If we never tell you
Pornhub. Rich white girl with no body. From Pornhub, rich white girl with no body. Over them in the last night.
I'm not gonna entertain that differently still, but if I never tell it, I love you before, may I tell it tonight, I love you. And people, we're not trying to make this corny or nothing, but if you love somebody and check for them, don't wait till tomorrow, don't wait till the day after, don't wait till next week. Tell them say you love them now, tell them say you appreciate them now. Here, I love you.
Love you too, all the time. Mm-hmm. Rika, we outside.
I love you.
How are you, man? Rika, you see me now, Rika. I see a problem with me. They only can get me down for a couple minutes. If they get to an hour, they're lucky. Me make you stress me out for 15 minutes or half an hour, but if you catch an hour, you're lucky. If you catch an hour now, I start worrying, I start stressing me and say what really take place in my life. Because you're gone over 1 hour. You gotta set record. So I'm worry about people for like 30 minutes, 15. After that, then gone again. Rika, remember saying Rika, I have people, me have a lot of fans decide of me because nobody ever come who say X-Gang, you know. Rika, me have opened my DM right now, you know, Rika, and I be an X me I see, you know. People having a them buy, you know, Rika. You see me, so right now, Rika, this is my, yesterday I couldn't find my page, Rika, me stress out.
Oh, Hero, you wasn't even here. Where's Nash? Let me see. Hold up. This female, Nash.
What she did?
No. The garment that I want. Remember, I said, my waist, whatever. She's going to customize it. She's customizing. She look for me. It's so wrong. You on your phone. You my friend. And we gonna make this. Ira, look for me.
Yeah, me I look.
Ira.
Yeah, look.
The first nigga I'ma fuck, I'm not gonna call him name I want rapper.
I lie.
We're gonna talk after here. But doctor, come on.
What you say to me?
Ira, look for me. Ira,
Yeah,
don't fuck with your big sister. Yeah. But that being said and done, the outfit what I want, I'm gonna tell you with the X-Cam. One white shirt. Nash was just on here before you came on here. We're going to customize it, right?
Yeah.
The whole
when Nash, where's the Nash?
People not tag Nash.
Rika, make them buy some of your badge, man.
Tell them now, brother, tell them now.
When you buy badge?
Well, Ira, you know, so October 29th, you know what I'm going to wear?
What?
X.
Need bombo clad.
X and a bomb. You know, man. You know.
Dice.
Me a bomb squad. You are X. But the X I go there, so the X I go cover just my areola, my nipples. And the bomb I go cover my pum pum. Where's the brother?
That bad.
When Nash was just here, I don't know. People, buy the badge. One of the here about them up. Tell them to buy a big
buy badge. Rika. And listen me, I say, Rika, I'm looking 2 artists right now. I'm looking at female artists and a male artist. And when I'm talking about artists, I'm not talking about give you guys 100,000 on a donny and then want to pay for the music video. I'm talking about signing new artists and going a chance. We go give you studio time. Me are going to music video, traveling, and a lot more. When I sign, I'm not going to 50,000. Here we are signing, now giving 20,000. If we do Jamaica, 2 million. After that, we're not going to go buy no bag of weed. You understand? What I want to sign right now, Rika, I look for 2 artists. Right now, I look at a male and a female. Right now, who interested in a X-Gang records. Right? And who willing to pay for some studio time. I will pay for all the music video. I will make sure you get interview. I will definitely 100% give you my platform.
Can we collab? Can we make this a business proposition between both of us?
Of course. I will 100% give them I will give them all their rights for everything, but we just share the bookings. And I will 100% give you my platform so you can display your work. So if you're trying to get signed and trying to reach further in life and not worry about money and worry about serious stuff, then you're welcome to X-Gang Records, where we can provide work and provide certain more stuff, like earplay, like more interview, you know what I mean? Make sure say you look at community which part of the work they do, you make sure say it go worldwide. That we can offer as a business. I'm not signing on, so I'm going to 100.
Hold up, bro. What do you prefer? Dancehall, reggae, or what type of artist? Let us know.
Me not look at artists right now. We just sit down at their yard every day. Me I look at artists who are work and they write about their work and they we are trying to elevate from which part then there.
Wait, remember ask you something. What if a soca artist hit you up and say whatever? You will work with them as well?
Rika, can I be real with you, Rika?
Be real.
I'm so focused on Jamaica right now. I'm not trying to go nowhere and just stay right here and reach with Jamaica. I'm not trying to say I have nothing against soca artists, but my vision what I have is to put Jamaica on the map more and just don't think about Jamaica when time they win race or Jamaica go play football. Me think about Jamaica all the while. So right now, I'm just trying to give Jamaica and the youth them out of Jamaica my platform to display their work. You understand?
Love it.
So, me not like reggae or hip hop. But just in a Jamaican circle right now, and I try to give me own something back. So if they have a song who they where they just voice and they want me add them on the live and we are going live 7 times for night. And if me tired and fresh out, me still have to there and promote my artist song. So that me want to do right now. You understand? Yeah, we can make sure say if we don't live and I want place and want to move, we can help you to move from this and get a little better place.
But here, I know some Jamaicans from Brooklyn that do the dancehall and Afrobeat. Would you work with that?
Well, we have to see what they have on the ears, and we have more ears I listen to with what they can do. You know what I mean? Because we have an artist from record label already, Dan Bucket. You see me, Dan Bucket? We have an artist from the label already. You know what I mean? The dog are doing things. You know what I mean? Like Corona kind of slow things up for him. But when Jamaica kind of free up back, things will go on more better. Because you have to really out there and you push yourself as a young artist right now to get recognized.
Amen.
And some people who have like some people in the crowd not get really, they're not used to crowd as yet. So that is Dan Bucket problem. You know, really used to crowd as yet, the antisocial. So Dan Bucket, I dim that. But we don't have no problem with it, that's him. But right now we are look 2 artists, a male and a female, and we're willing to pay for studio time. I'm willing to pay for studio time. I'm willing to pay for some music video. You know what I mean? If it's a girl and she really have talent, and we see say Jamaica now give her them paper, willing to marry her and give her a paper just for business wise. None of that bullshit because of money me I pray right now, Rika. But now I pray like little boy again because me see yesterday I learned something, Rika. You see, without this page, nobody doing business with me. Nobody give a fuck about Akeem, Rika. Only my family do. Rika, everybody give a fuck about Era and World Dawg. You understand what I say, Rika? Rika. And everybody love Rika World, you know. Everybody can love Rika World, you know. But and everybody love your real name and love who you are. And love the person that behind Rika World. You understand? Rika, I know everybody love Akeem, and I know everybody love Era. So right now, when I try to Rika, I just work out in our circle, keep some party, open my club, make some money, and just live some life, Rika, because bad mind out there says a hell of a thing. You understand, Rika? I mean, as I try to pave a path for look at you them around me, and all like that, them who say they look up to me. That's why, Rika, every time I go through my DM, Rika, I see X. Even if maybe skip over one next one, once I see X, Rika, I have to reply to them because that's a member of my team. I'm a represent for my team. Once you say X gang, you are a member of my team.
True.
You understand? And Rika, I'm sure
you
something again, Rika.
You know Moa? You know me what? Rika asks you.
What?
I love you, you love me?
Of course, Rika, you're my G.
Drop the blood clap bomb in your emoji. In your thing there.
Which one?
I don't give a fuck which one of your thing profile. Era, when we come off alive, me and you gonna talk, we gonna make money. Once you said what you said, I don't know. Like a lot of people on Instagram see me and don't even Era, you doubt me?
Well, me not doubting in at all, Rika. Rika, what people feel to understand in life. Once you breed, you are capable of doing anything. And why I'm talking like this, Rika, because I'm talking like Akeem right now.
Bomb squad, yeah.
Bomb squad, you see me? So Rika, once you breed, you're capable of doing anything. Nobody can tell us you cannot do it. Rika, from me, I look at you, everybody in my community, me I tell myself, so me a star. I'm going to become a star. Right now, me I tell myself, so I want to be a billionaire, I'm going for the billionaire. You understand me, Rika? Because you can be a millionaire in foreign and broke tomorrow. A lot of people don't know that. You can have 300,000 in your bank account and wake up and don't see it tomorrow. A lot of people don't know that.
Amen.
So a lot of people just see 200,000 in their bank account and stop because they get rich or they feel like they're rich. A lot of people don't do things consistent. What do you say?
Consistent. They're not consistent with nothing.
They're not consistent.
Bro, I'm not gonna cut you. Instagram about to fucking cut me off because they only give me an hour. Remember, from the 4 hours, remember them block me what they just send me on the back of page. Since them give me back my life, 1 hour at a time them give me.
Oh, are you real page this? Now yourself, man, Rika. X forever. You hear that and big up yourself. Brother Rika, some ball. You see light on some ball. Me they playing in my backyard, you know, Rika. You understand? Me they play some ball in my backyard. My friend them they play some little ball in my backyard. But Rika, you see something this. So I'm tell you something, Rika. You see me the jail or there. Me know who are my friend from, know my friend.
Amen. Right.
Rika, you see when me call, I make you call out of